Hi, Matthew here from Ramp Champ, and today we have the Heeve Up-Ya-Get wooden dog ramp. This is the small version, so stay tuned and we'll show you all about it coming up. Hi, Matthew here from Ramp Champ, and today we're going to have a look at the Heeve Up-Ya-Get wooden dog ramp for beds and couches. This one that we have here in front of us is the small variant. We have 3 different sizes, and this one here, as mentioned, is the small version, but it's perfect for getting your dogs up onto couches and low beds and so on. This Heeve Up-Ya-Get wooden dog ramp for beds and couches is made out of a lightweight pine material. It has quality screw finishes to join it all together, and the top surface here is a marine ply carpet which has a ribbed surface, so that gives your pooch excellent traction as they're looking to go up and down the ramp. The ramp is very easy to set up. As you can see on the back here, there is a lock mechanism here to make sure that none of the frame will pop out when you're not using the ramp. Therefore you can pick it up, shake it around and it won't move. You can simply store it under a bed in a cupboard when it's not in use. To use the ramp, just move this little latch here, open it up and just fit it to the desired height and away you go. This small version of the ramp has 2 different height settings. There is a 30 centimetre height and also a 40 centimetre height, catering to different level couches. Now the ramp can be used on all different floor surfaces, including hard and soft floors. If using it on hard floors, it's got these great little stoppers here which prevent the ramp from sliding around on hard timber floors or tiles. And it really keeps the ramp in place and makes it secure while the dog's using the ramp.